This is a 1948 Ford cab-over engine rollback. It's a beauty. It's evidently in current use by a towing company here in Central Florida. Doesn't have the original flathead 8 though. The engine's been replaced by a 350 cubic inch Chevy engine. But you have to admire the statuesque presence of this hauler. It's just immaculate. The truck bed here is really a thing of beauty, really. Great looking wheels on it. Certainly looks like the kind of vehicle that you'd love to have to haul your vehicles around. With the stacked exhaust. Too bad I really can't see inside the cab, but I'm sure it looks great. And a nice paint job too. It's like a dark plum.